Hey everyone, welcome back to the TechSec Guru channel. Today, we're unboxing one of the most talked about mechanical keyboards in the market, the Keychron Q6 Max. If you're a keyboard enthusiast or just looking for a high quality wireless setup, this is one you won't want to miss. Let's get right into it. Inside the box, Keychron keeps it clean and simple. The Q6 Max is securely packed to keep everything intact. First up, we have the keyboard itself, and it's a hefty piece of hardware, but we'll dive into that weight soon. Underneath, we have a USB-C cable, a keycap puller, switch puller, and an instruction manual. The first thing you'll notice is the solid aluminum build. Keychron went all out with the Q6 Max, giving it a premium and sturdy feel. It's full size, with that satisfying weight that makes it feel like it'll hold its ground during intense typing or gaming sessions. It has a wireless option too, which is a game changer if you want flexibility on your desk. So let's talk features. The Q6 Max comes with Gateron G Pro switches right out of the box, giving you that crisp click for tactile feedback or smoothness, depending on the switch you choose. And if you like customizations, this keyboard's hot-swappable. You can swap out switches without soldering. It's also packed with RGB lighting options that you can control directly or customize through software. This keyboard gives you the best of both worlds, wired and wireless. It has Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can connect it to multiple devices seamlessly. And with the USB-C port, you can enjoy a reliable wired connection whenever you need it. Overall, the Keychron Q6 Max is a powerhouse for anyone looking for durability, versatility, and style in one package. Whether you're typing away on reports or gaming for hours, this keyboard will definitely keep up. So, what do you think? Are you as impressed with the Q6 Max as I am? If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to hit that subscribe button here on YouTube. Follow TechSec Guru on Instagram, Threads, and X for the latest updates and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.